Hi, my name is Rob Pindola, Technical Training Manager here at Viega. When talking about industrial applications, Viega offers a wide variety of packages in our portfolio that can help you complete the system. Whether it be fittings or valves, copper tube size with stainless or copper, iron pipe size, and your mega press IPS systems with galvanized steel or stainless steel or carbon steel, Viega has what you need to complete the system. We go from our spring checks or swing checks, both pro press and mega press. We have strainers, we have two-piece valves, and we even have your three-piece valves. Typically, your three-piece valves are a more permanent solution for those industrial applications. When we talk about industrial applications, we're talking about more corrosive media probably inside and even outside of that system. So typically, if we get into the stainless steel, Viega offers those three-piece valves up to 4 inches. Now, when you get to the internals, these valves can be repaired. They are a more permanent solution because as these press ends stay in place, you are able to remove those internals and replace them if need be. If there is any blockage, if it just needs some updating, the ball, the bonnet, any of that interior can be replaced and you keep the valve in its position. Lockout, tagout capabilities on these handles for those industrial applications when maintenance is needed. Viega offers that wide variety, two-piece, three-piece valves, swing checks, spring checks, strainers, your manual balancing valves, your dynamic balancing valves, and even those pressure-independent control valves to complete the system from A to Z using one tool, whether it be PEX, CTS, or IPS. Switching the jaws is all it takes and you complete the system.